Lesson number 31, Algebra, volume 1, application number 48. Instead, let us solve the equation whole equal 1 minus 6. Whole x at 1 major or equal x at 1 minus 1 less or equal x at 1 at 1. Whole x at 1 major or equal x less or equal x at 2. Whole x at 1 equal 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 major or equal x less or equal x at 2. X less or equal 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 less or equal x at 2. X at x less or equal 1. X minus 6 less or equal 2 minus 1. 2 multiply x less or equal 1 minus 2 multiply x less or equal 1 divided 2x less or equal 1 divided 2 multiply minus 1 2 multiply x major or equal minus 1 x less or equal 1 divided 2x major or equal minus 1 divided 2 x belong minus 1 divided 2 1 divided 2. In this range the entire function are explained whole x at 1. Gx equal x at 1 is right D. Graph line D intersect y or x. Y equal 0 axis equation or x. 0 equal x at 1, x equal minus 1 are point graph line D intersect O x, point intersection are coordinate minus 1, 0. Graph the line D intersect y. X equal 0 axis equation y, g 0 equal 1. Result B, point intersect 0, 1. Limit infinite minus infinite, limit infinite infinite. Gx equal x at 1. Table number 1, g minus 1 divided 2 equal 1 divided 2, whole 1 divided 2 equal 0. Gx equal 1, x at 2 equal 1, x equal 0, g2 equal 2, x at 2 equal 2, x equal 1. Result whole x 1 equal 0 for x belong minus 1 divided 2 0, 1 for x belong 0 1 divided 2. Range minus 1 divided 2 0. Whole x at 1 equal 0. Whole equal 1 minus 6. 0 equal 1 minus 6. 6 equal 1. Not belong minus 1 divided 2 0 is not solution. Range x belong 0 1 divided 2. Whole x at 1 equal 1. Whole x at 1 equal 1 minus 6. 1 equal 1 minus 6. 6 equal 0 belong 0 1 divided 2 solution. Whole x divided 2 equal 1 minus 6. 0 whole 0 at 1 equal 1. 1 equal 1, check, verify. So x equal 0 is only solution. Verification. Whole x at 1 equal 1 minus 6 equal 0 at 1 equal 1. 1 equal 1, check. Application number 49. Instead, let's resolve. Whole x at 2 equal whole 3 minus 6. If x equal x at 2, D1 is the equation. Hash x equal 3 minus 6. Right D2 is the equation. If x equal hash x equal n. If x major or equal n less or equal n at 1, hash x major or equal n less n at 1, multiply minus 1, result minus n, major minus hash x, major minus n at 1, minus n minus 1, less minus hash x, less or equal minus n. If x multiply minus 1, if x major or equal n, less n add 1. If x minus hash x major or equal minus 1, less or equal 1. If x minus hash x major minus 1, less 1. If x equal x add 2, hash x 3 minus 6. If x minus hash x equal x add 2 minus 3 minus 6 equal 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 major minus 1 less 1. 2x minus 1 major minus 1. 2x minus 1 less 1. 2x major minus 1 1. 2x less 1 add 1. 2x major 0. 2x less 2 divided 2. X major 0. X less 1. Result x belong 0 1. Interval 0 1. In this interval in this time the solution. Now this time estimate by the equation. Whole x at 2 equal whole 3 minus 6. Fx equal x at 2 hash x 3 minus 6. Fx x at 2 graph of the line D1 intersect to x. Y equals 0 is the equation of axis x. 0 equal x at 2 x minus 2. A minus 2 0 point intersection. Graph the line D1 intersect y. X equals 0 is the equation of the axis y. If 0 equal 2, result B point intersect 0 2. Whole x at 2 equal 2 for x belong 0 1. Hash x equal 3 minus 6. Graph the line D2 intersect to x. Y equals 0 is the equation of the axis x. 0 equal 3 minus 6. 6 equal 3. Point intersect C 3 0. Graph the line D2 intersect y. Hash x equal 3 minus 6 intersect y. Hash x equal 3 minus 6. X equal 0 is the equation of the axis y. Hash 0 equal 3. Result D intersection D 0 3. Hash 0 equal 3. Hash 1 equal 3 minus 1 2. 4x belong 0 1. Whole 3 minus 6 equal 2. X belong 0 1. Solution.